What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions. Today we're going to be doing a little cleanup on my Traxxas Monster Max and the Traxxas Rustler 4x4. They're pretty dirty. We had a lot of fun this week. Now what we're going to go ahead and do, instead of the big 80-gallon compressor that I normally got to start up to clean off the RCs, we're going to see if we could do the same task with this small 1-gallon 18-volt cordless compressor from Ryobi. Now what I normally do when I clean, I usually spray them down with water, get all the dust, dirt, and grime as much as I can off with the pressurized water. Then I'll go in with the air compressor, not only to dry off the excess water, but to also get the heavier stuff that the water left behind. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do it. Now the first thing we're going to do is get both these sprayed down. I already have the nozzle hooked onto the hose, so let's go ahead and do it. Flip them over, get all the excess water out of them. We got them all washed off. You can see they're really wet, and they came out fairly clean. You can see down in the crevices though, you see how we got that dirt, grime in there, and that's really what we aim to get out with the air compressor, as well as drying it off, getting all the excess water out so the screws don't start rusting. Go ahead and go over here. Now obviously this compressor has a really small tank. The storage tank is only 1 gallon. How I'm going to try to make that up is our little air nozzle here has got a really small tip, so I'm hoping that the volume is small enough to kind of keep that tank aired up enough just to kind of get us by. So we're going to turn this on, let it pump up, and give it a shot. The air compressor just shut off. We're at a tank's at a little over 120 psi, and the outlet's about 110 psi. Ready to give it a shot. Alright, we're pretty much finished up. Kind of see we got them all dried and got some of the gunk off. There's the Rustler right there. You can see we got the gunk fairly decent in there. Still needs a little work, but we're not worried about that for right now because we're going to be fixing this. Need some rear drive shafts, and then we're going to be taking it back out. It took about 20 minutes or so to do both of them. Let's go ahead and see the battery life here. We got 1 bar left. It took us about 20 minutes or so to get both these trucks dry and fairly clean. The verdict, it can be done. It would be better if the tank was at least double the size to about maybe even 3 gallons or so. I think would be perfect to help this process move a little faster. It's definitely something you could take to the track, or when you're out bashing, if you need to clean a little area so you can work on it or blow some dirt off. Definitely an option. But for around the house for now, we're gonna still use the big air compressor. Just to help things move along a little faster. If you guys are interested in the Ryobi 1 gallon cordless air compressor, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below. And as always, if you guys like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.